Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when facing installation issues with Roblox on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Installation problem usually occurs when your system doesn't meet the minimum requirements to run Roblox guys. You just need to check my video description for this website link. Here you can compare your PC components to the requirements to install Roblox guys. If this is not your case problem, then something's overprotective antiviruses or firewall settings can block the Roblox installation guys. Temporarily disable your antiviruses and Windows firewall before attempting to install Roblox guys. To do this, click on this arrow icon. If you are using any third-party antiviruses, you just need to right click on it and exit it guys, or temporarily disable it guys. And after doing it, click on Windows Security. Click on virus threat protection and you just need to click on manage settings, turn off the real time protection and select as. Now go to firewall and network protection, click on public network, disable the Windows Defender guys, and after disabling it, note it guys, once installation complete then re-enable all the security we disabled it guys. After doing this, right click on the Roblox player launcher installer and select run as administrator and run it guys, and check your problem resolved or not. Make sure your Windows is up to date guys. To do this, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. If any available update over here, you just need to update it and restart your PC guys. After doing this, then try to install it guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.